close your eyes for a moment and remember a time that you felt really good. Maybe you'd fallen in love, or you were relaxing with friends, or maybe you just achieved something. But return to that time like you're back there again. Now, see what you saw, hear what you heard, and feel how good you felt. "50% of the reason why people end up at the doctors now can be traced back to too much stress, anxiety, fear. So this modern age that we live in means we have to adapt. I continually ask people on a scale of 1 to 10, how happy are you? And I'm amazed at people who come back with a 4 or 5. I mean, the average in this country is a 6. In fact, if you look at from the 1940s, we're not any happier today than we were then, but yet we live longer, we've got greater freedoms, we're richer. You'd think we'd be happier, but we're not any happier since the 40s.
The way you're feeling right now is solely because you are playing out something in your past or in your future, a movie in your mind that may or may not be true. That's basically 99% of chance of how you're feeling right now.
What I'm helping people to do is not just get chilled out, because anxious people go, I don't want that, I want my edge, because if I lose my edge, I'll be a victim, right? What they want to be able to do is to control it, to have greater control over their thoughts and feelings. And so I encourage people to break through their limitations, to achieve more of their potential, really. So this isn't just about getting calm from anxiety. No, it's about actually being able to deal with all this stuff without getting freaked out, be more resourceful, more resilient, but also have a richer life.